Strange science. Came in today, and look what it's doing. Game over. Insert coins? What? Reap. That's supposed to be on free play. And it was on free play. That means the batteries have died in it. And you know what? I don't think that I think this has the original NiCad battery in it. So we don't want that in there. We want to pull it. And I do remember when I brought this in and we went through and I pulled out batteries on, geez, every time I'm doing this, it's like noise everywhere. We pulled out batteries before we stored them, and I went through and I added batteries, put new batteries back in. A lot of these have AAA battery holders that kind of sit off to the side. So I know that this one, I had opened it up, looked at it, and went, oh, the NiCad's in there, but it was fine. And it wasn't leaking or doing anything else, and it was one of those things like, oh, I'll take care of it later. So I guess now is later. So it's actually a pretty simple operation. So let's turn this thing off and let's take a look in there, and I'll show you what's up. All right, glass off, and there's the culprit right there. And nicely, it's marked positive there and negative there. No, but it's positive there, so we know that's the positive side. I have actually had pretty good luck clipping these things off and replacing them without pulling the board, but I think that in this case it's going to get in the way. I'll see if I can do that. It's just really as simple. You can just clip this little mount on this side and the one on that side, off it goes, and then you can just solder your leads on there, and then we'll stick the battery pack right here on the side. Okay, so we've got our 4-pack battery holder. We want to convert this to a 3, so it'll be 4.5 volts. We also need to take this diode and we need to put it usually right there is good. The band goes to the positive side. We're putting this in so that it doesn't try to recharge the alkaline batteries, because that would be a bad thing. This diode, this is IN 5819, which would be adequate for our purposes. So I can't solder and hold this, so let me solder those in place, and I'll be right back. And there it is. That's really all there is to it. Little blob there, little blob there. Good to go. All right, let's go put it in the machine. Clip the bottom lead. These are actually really soft, so maybe I can just give it a little. This is probably not the best thing in the world, but give it a little wiggle. Come off of there. You can do it. You know you want to. You'll be free. I'm going to send you to live on a nice farm in the country. Come on, stop resisting. Get off of there. Come on. Don't you want to go live on the farm? Ta-da! All right. So that should be pretty simple. Here I am. Hello. Okay, so I think to make this easier, I'm going to mount this thing first. A little double-sided tape on the back, and we'll just stick it somewhere where the wires will still reach. But I want it kind of far away. I think that's probably a good spot right there. All right. Let's solder those guys on there. Of course, I didn't tin my wires first because I'm a big dum-dum, but we'll do it up here. Oh, I'm gonna burn myself. This is how not to do this, I think. All right, I'm gonna put just a little blob on here if I can. Okay, this is easier than I thought. And I'm blocking you so you can't see, because that's how I roll. But look, it's stuck on there. I must have done something right. All right, let's do the other side. Probably another terrible camera angle, so you can't see. But rest assured, I am putting solder on the end of this line. And we'll go back up into here. Put a little solder on. Come on, you. Oh, great. This is a really awkward situation. All right, got some. Now we got to do is just stick this bad boy in there without burning ourselves or the wires or anything else. That's the big trick. All right, we've done it. Success. Well, maybe. I actually don't, I'm gonna put a little double-sided tape in here because this looks a little flimsy. We're gonna have weight of the batteries in there and I don't want it to kind of fall down. But other than that, it looks good. That should hold it. If one were paranoid, you could put a little screw in on this side where the diode is if you wanted to. But all right, let's throw some batteries in there. All right, we should be good. Let's turn this on and see what happens. Game over. Insert coins. So, one of the reasons why you really want to do this on these 6803s is because some brainiac had the idea of using these stupid little keypads. So these are those stupid little keypad thingies. And what happens is that the membrane switches get flaky. This gets all flaky. This one in particular, if you just look at it funny, it makes a random entry. So I hate using this thing. But anyway, so you go into the system. Oh, come on. Okay, hopefully you can see this. And hopefully I can do this and not swear too much. All right, look at how sensitive that is. You just barely touch it. Oh, now it doesn't work at all. I hate you. I hate you. Basic. Options. Basic. Oh, you suck. What's going on here? There we go. Enter. We'll go forward. Sound mode. No, forward. Don't do it. Don't do it. No, stop you. I hate you. We want to go into basic options. Don't do it. Basic options. Hooray! Enter. Enter. All right. Maybe I need a new keypad. Go. Go. So, okay, sound mode, we actually want to change this. I don't know why it's on 4. We want 3 because that sounds with the background noise and stuff. 3. Oh, I hate you. Alright, I'm going to change this out. Hold please. I'm going to change this with the one that I've got in hard body because I think that one's better. No, the one in hard body is just as bad. It's actually kind of taped together. Stop it. Oh, you're the worst thing ever. I hate you so much. Hey, there it is. No! Frickin'. What's your major malfunction? I want sound mode 3. Can I do it? Careful. Careful. No! Alright, off camera, I did it. Let's see if I can even get there and show you. Basic options. Oh, that's fine, whatever. Alright, I want sound mode 3. Can I actually do it? Do it. Did it stick? Free play, 65. Because not only is this a stupid interface, but instead of just like free play on or off, 1 or 0, it's 65. I want to find the person who designed this little keypad and free play as 65, and I want to kick him in the shins. All right. This is the worst. Now I just want to see if sound stopped. Basic options. No. Why? Stop doing it. Oh, hey. No, I didn't even see what I was looking for. Did it, and right when I turned the camera on, it changed. Ugh. Okay, I think we're good. So now we're going to turn the machine off, and when I turn it back on, we're going to let it sit for a second. When I turn it back on, it should be on free play, and if it is, then our batteries work. Please work, because I don't ever want to touch that keypad again. You can do it. Believe in you. And now, Mr. Spock. Fantastic. Why did I just turn that off? Wasn't that easy? That was just so easy. So that's how you change the battery in one of these. Super simple. I guess that's all I have. And for you watching at home, don't solder the stuff. Don't solder things while it's in the back box. Take the board out and do it properly. I'm just lazy. Okay, that's all for now. Bye.